that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it really is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now, there's still a knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight. Well, I can fight, as long as the wrong feels right. It's like I'm in flight, higher for love, drunk for my hate. It's like I'm huffing pain, I love it the more I suffer. I suffocate, right before I'm about to drown. She resuscitates me, she really hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you go, I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back, you're running right back. Here we go again, you're so insane. Cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman, but the wind in his back. She's Lois Lane, but when it's bad, it's so full. I feel so ashamed, I snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I lay hands on her, I never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Now I know we said things, did things, then we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns, same routine. But your temper's just as bad as mine is. You're the same as me when it comes to love, you're just as blinded. Baby, please come back, it wasn't you. Baby, it was me. Maybe our relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado meets a volcano. All I know is I love you too much to walk away. Though, come inside, pick up your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault. Look me in the eyeball. Next time I feel to write my fist at the drywall. Next time there will be no next time. I'll apologize even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games, I just want the back. I don't want my life. If she ever tries to freaking leave again, I'ma tie to the bed and set this house on fire. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie.
对看。哇，这个加成，一千，没有自拍，单独还拍一张的，那再加1000。